Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia teaching Maths 1st Standard 8th in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 14 Compound Interest. In the last session we had learnt how to find the amount and compound interest. Today we'll go for application of formula for compound interest. The formula for finding the amount by compound interest can be used to solve examples involving population growth and the depreciation or decrease in the value of machinery or property or vehicle, etc. For example, if any article is sold after using it for some time, its value reduces as compared to its cost price. This reduction in price is called depreciation. So children, if value of certain thing reduces as compared to its original price at a constant rate, then this rate is called rate of depreciation. So while calculating reduction in values, rate, that is R, is taken to be negative. Let's go for practice set 14.2. The first sum. On the construction work of a flyover bridge, there were 320 workers initially. The number of workers were increased by 25% every year. Find the number of workers after 2 years. So here children, number of workers is your, what is the number of workers? 320. So 320 will be your principal. So rate of increase is what? 25% per annum. So that is R. R is your 25%. Number of years is 2 years. And what have you to find out? You are going to find out number of workers after 2 years. So that will be your amount. Okay. So your principal year is 320. R is 25% per annum. N is 2 years. And you are going to find out amount, that is number of workers after 2 years. Again, first you are going to write down the formula by writing A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Then you substitute the values, that is A is equal to 320, 1 plus 25 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore, A is equal to 320 cross multiply 100 plus 25 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore, A is equal to 320 add 125 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore, A is equal to 320 into 125 upon 100 into 125 upon 100. After cancellation, amount is equal to 32 into 125 into 125 upon 1000. Again after multiplication, amount is equal to 500,000 upon 1000. After cancellation, your amount is 500. Amount is 500 means what? Number of workers. So there will be 500 workers after 2 years. The second sum. A shepherd has 200 sheep with him. Find the number of sheep with him after 3 years if the increase in number of sheep is 8% every year. Now here, what is the number of sheep, children? 200. What is the rate of increase? 8%. Correct. Number of years? 3 years. And what have you to find out? Number of sheep after 3 years. So now what is your principal year? 200. Your R is 8%. N is 3 years. And number of sheep after 3 years will be your amount. That is what you have to find out. So again, first you will write down the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. A is equal to, substitute the value, 200, 1 plus 8 upon 100 to the power of 3. A is equal to 200, cross multiply 100 plus 8 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 200, add, so it will become 108 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 200 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. Very good. Now, after cancellation, multiply. A is equal to 2 into 108 into 108 into 108 upon 10,000. That is 1,0,0,0. Again, after multiplying, what will you get? 2519424 upon 1,0,0,0. Put the decimal point. So, A is equal to 251.9424. So, approximately what will be your amount? Your amount will be 252. So, number of sheep after 3 years will be 252. Third sum. In a forest, there were 40,000 trees. Find the expected number of trees after 3 years if the objective is to increase the number of rate 5% per year. Now here children, what is the number of trees? 40,000, correct. Rate of increase 5% per annum, right. Number of years, 3 years. What have you to find out? Number of trees after 3 years. That will be your amount. So what is your principal year? 40,000. Your R is 5% per annum. N is 3 years. And what have you to find out? Amount. What is amount? Number of trees after 3 years. Correct. So first you are going to write the formula, that is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Then you are going to substitute the values. Correct. So therefore A is equal to 40,000, 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore A is equal to 40,000, then cross multiply, very good, that is 100 plus 5 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 40,000. Yes, you are going to add 105 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 40,000 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. That's great. Therefore, A is equal to, after cancellation, 4 into 105 into 105 into 105 upon 100. So, after multiplication, you will get 4,630,500 upon 100. Again, cancellation, and you will get A as 4,630,500. So, what had you to find out? Number of trees after 3 years. So, number of trees after 3 years will be 46,305. Very good. The next sum. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000. If the rate of depreciation is 10% per year, find the depreciation in price of the machine after 2 years. Now children, the word depreciation has come. So here your R will become negative, correct. Now first you tell me what is the cost price of the machine? 2,50,000. What is your rate of depreciation? 10%. What is the number of years? 2 years. So as price decreases, while calculation R will be taken as negative, that is minus 10. So can you tell me what is P here? 2,50,000. Rate is 10%, correct. Number of years is 2 years. You are going to find out the amount. Okay. So amount is equal to, first you write your formula as it is. So amount is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Now R, what are you going to take R as? Minus 10. So your next step will be, therefore A is equal to 2,50,000, 1 minus 10 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore A is equal to 2,50,000, 100 minus 10 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore A is equal to 2,50,000, 90 upon 100 to the power of 2. Very good. Therefore A is equal to 2,50,000 into 90 upon 100 into 90 upon 100. After cancellation, A is equal to 2500 into 9 into 9. After multiplication, your amount is 2,02,500. That is 2,02500. Now what have you to find out? You are going to find out, what are you going to find out? You are going to find out the depreciation in price. So decrease in price is equal to principal minus amount. So what is your principal? 2,50,000 minus what is the amount? 2,02,500. So subtract it. What will you get? 47,500. So the price of the machine will reduce by 47,500 in 2 years. Fifth sum. Find the compound interest if the amount of a certain principal after 2 years is rupees 4,036.80 at the rate of 16% per annum. Children, here you have to find out compound interest. And what is the formula for compound interest? Amount minus principal. And they have not given you the principal. So you have to find out principal when amount is rupees 4,036.80. Your rate is 16%. Number of years is 2 years. And you have to find out principal and compound interest. So first you are going to write down the formula, that is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Then you are going to substitute the value. Now here amount is given. So 4,036.80 is equal to, you are going to find out P. So P1 plus R is given to you, 16 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore 4,036.80 is equal to P into cross multiplication 100 plus 16 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore 4,036.80 is equal to P into 116 upon 100 to the power of 2. Correct. Therefore 4,036.80 is equal to P into 116 upon 100 into 116 upon 100. Now when this 116 upon 100 into 116 upon 100 goes to your left hand side, it gets reciprocal. So therefore 4,036.80 into 100 upon 116 into 100 upon 116 is equal to P. So after cancellation you will get 4,036.80 into 25 into 25 upon 29 into 29, which is equal to P. Again after multiplying, your P is equal to 2523,000 upon 841. You are going to divide it and you are going to get the principal as 3,000. So your principal is rupees 3,000. Now you have to find out the compound interest. So what is the formula for compound interest? Compound interest is equal to A minus P. Now what is your A? 4,036.80 minus 3,000. Correct. So after subtracting, what is your compound interest? Your compound interest is rupees 1,000 1036.80. So your compound interest is 1036.80. Hope children you have understood these word problems. Rest word problems I'll continue in my next session. Thank you and God bless.